Welcome back, future medicos. MCC has released the seat matrix for the mop up round. Today, we will see the number of seats vacant for management category in deemed universities for mop up round. So, I have organized the colleges in terms of descending order in terms of the number of seats vacant, right? So I have put the college with higher number of seats at the top and then the college with lesser number of seats at the bottom. So there are about 45 colleges that's participating in deemed universities counseling in mop-up round. So let's look at one by one. The number one is Raja Rajeswari Medical College in Bangalore. This we know it had some issues with Karnataka state government and it was removed from round 2 counseling at the last minute. So there were no allocation to Rajarajeswari in round 2. But however, following a High Court direction which said that this particular year, let DGHS or MCC continue the counseling, let them fill the seats, and then from next year onwards, KEA may be able to take over. So for this particular year, the High Court has said that the admission will still happen through the MCC. But I'm not sure whether it's still going to remain as a deemed university or is it going to be affiliated with Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences in Bangalore. I'm not sure, that you need to find out. But as far as counseling, as far as admission is concerned, it's going through MCC for all the seats this year. So if you look at the number of seats available in Rajarajeswari Medical College, there are 109 seats available. So probably this is a college where the cutoff is going to be extremely low. And also maybe a lot of people might fear about the real status of this college. So probably if you are really serious about getting a MBBS seat, this is one college where the cutoff might be very low. Another college from Karnataka, Sri Siddhartha Academy T. Begur. This has 46 seats available. D.Y. Patil Medical College in Pune, it has 42 seats vacant. Datta Mega Medical College in Nagpur, which is a new medical college started this year, they have 37 seats vacant. Another new college this year, Bharat Medical College in Chennai, it also has 37 seats vacant. These two colleges, Datta Mega and Bharat, has joined the counseling only in the second round. They were not part of the first round. ACS Medical College in Chennai, there are 36 seats vacant. Arupadai Veedu Medical College in Puducherry has 35 seats vacant. Santosh Medical College at Ghaziabad has 30 seats vacant. Geetham Institute at Vishakhapatnam has 29 seats vacant. Meenakshi Medical College in Chennai has 29 seats vacant. Institute at Mulana has 25 seats vacant. Sri Satya Sai Medical College at Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu, which is Kanchipuram is very close to Chennai. The number of seats vacant is 24. Sri Siddhartha Medical College, Tumkur, there are 24 seats vacant. Dr. D.Y. Patil Medical College, Navi Mumbai, 22 seats are vacant. Vinayaka Missions Medical College at Karaikal, there are 22 seats vacant. Sri Lakshmi Narayana Institute, Puducherry, there are 16 seats vacant. Kasturiba Medical College or KMC Manipal, there are 16 seats vacant. Mahatma Gandhi Medical College at Pondicherry or Puducherry has 14 seats vacant. JLN Medical College, Varda, has 14 seats vacant. Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhubaneswar, has 12 seats vacant. Savita Medical College in Chennai has 11 seats vacant. Chettinad Hospital and Research Institute at Kanchipuram, once again near Chennai, has 10 seats vacant. Manipal Tata Medical College, Jamshedpur, has 9 seats vacant. So the remaining colleges, that is the remaining 23 colleges, all of them have only single-digit vacancies. Sri Balaji Medical College in Chennai has 9 seats vacant. JLN Belagavi has 8 seats vacant. Dr. D.Y. Patil, deemed University, Kolhapur, has 8 seats vacant. Vinayaka Missions at Salem has 8 seats vacant. BV deemed University, Sangli, has 8 seats vacant. Krishna Institute, Karat, has 8 seats vacant. KMC Mangalore has 7. Sri Ramachandra Medical College in Chennai has 7. MGM Aurangabad has 6. Rural Medical College or PIMS Loni has 5 seats. MGM Medical College at Navi Mumbai has 5. JSS Medical College at Mysore has 5. SRM Medical College in Chennai has 5 seats. SDU Kolar has 5 seats. Symbiosis Medical College for Women at Pune has 5 seats. Amrita Institute at Kochi, Kerala has 5 seats. BV deemed University, I think this is the Pune campus, has 5 seats. Kalinga Institute at Bhubaneswar has 5 seats. KS Hegde Mangalore has 4 seats. Enipoya Mangalore has 4 seats. BLDE Bijapur has 3 seats. And finally, Hamdard Institute at New Delhi, they don't have any seat for general candidates. They have only 2 seats vacant for persons with disabilities. But I believe that in case if there are no candidates still for persons with disabilities, they may be converted to general category. I'm not sure whether it happens at mop-up round or whether it happens at stray vacancy round. I'm not sure. Now, what is the total seats available? So 774 seats available under management category and 2 seats available under management category for persons with disabilities. So totally we have about 776 seats that are available under general management category in deemed universities. And few more vacancies that comes under the minority category in deemed universities. So we have a Muslim minority as well as Jain minority. So if you look at the Muslim minority, we have two seats vacant, 1 seat vacant in Hamdard Institute that is coming under general PWD category. And then Enipoya Medical College, Mangalore, they have 1 seat. So totally 2 seats available for Muslim minority in deemed universities. And we have 1 seat vacant for Jain minority in SBKS Medical Institute in Gujarat. They have 1 seat vacant for Jain minority. So totally, if you look at the minority candidates, there are still 3 seats vacant, 2 seats for Muslim minority and 1 seat for Jain minority. Thank you very much. I hope that information is useful to you. I see you soon in some other video. Take care. Bye-bye.